Thanks for tuning in again. This is today's update for September 24th, 2023. I left the Illinois Valley Yacht Club at 7:15 a.m. in the morning. Originally, I was going to stay another day, but early in the morning, my little voice kept saying, "Leave today. You need to leave today." And so I changed my mind and I left today. Because every time I don't listen to my little voice inside, something not really pleasant happens, or I miss something, or something along the line. Today's cruise was relatively short. It was only 49 miles. I averaged 7.7 miles per hour. The top speed was 9.6 miles per hour. My moving time was 6 hours and 18 minutes. At the end, when I got here to Tall Timbers, I filled up with fuel. And when I was filling up, I learned that the next fuel station is not selling fuel now. And so I decided to fill up those two new gas cans I got that each hold 6 gallons. And so I put in 23 gallons total. And when I subtract 12, that leaves 11 gallons. And so my estimate is I may have gotten 4.9 miles per gallon. That could have been. But that's kind of just an estimate. And then I also learned today why my little voice was telling me, leave today. As I'm cruising down, it's just a nice, enjoyable day. My little voice says, call Bob. Call Bob Austin. Call Bob. So I called him. And I learned that the c-dories are having a gathering on Kentucky Lake the first week in October. It begins that Monday, I think that's the 2nd, and goes through Friday. And so so I might have a possibility, I thought I'd have a possibility of making that. So I sat down here at Tall Timbers and refigured my float plan. So today I'm going to do tomorrow rather, I'm going to do a marathon cruise. I'm going to attempt to travel 135 miles. That means I'll need to take care of some fuel issues. I'll probably stop in Beardsley on the way down tomorrow to get some more fuel. I'll need to use the wagon. And when I sat down and did my new float plan, it looks doable that I can be there by doing this marathon that I'm doing today. That makes it possible for me to be there on time. And so I left a phone call for the marina at Prize Marina, I think, Prize Valley. Anyways, it's on Kentucky Lake. And I'll hope to be able to make it there to the c-dory gathering. So that's it. That's everything that went on today. That little voice, I'm glad I listened to it today, both times. And so life was pretty darn good. It was a great cruising day. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate everybody that tunes in. And if you're someone that hasn't subscribed, please do. When you do subscribe, click on that little bell. That way, every time I upload a new video, you'll get notified. May all your seas be calm. Take care.